Woo! Sun is bright. Feels good on my skin though. So I am currently on my way to an appointment. I haven't eaten all day. It is now 1:07, and yeah, your girl hasn't eaten yet, so I'm stopping to KFC to get me a mashed potato bowl, and then head to my appointment because you don't want to be passing out at our appointments. So grab that, and then I'll probably catch up with y'all after my appointment.
You want to have a seat?
I'm good. Thank you. You too. The stress that this darn car mount is giving me is on another level. I got a sunroof, y'all. The only reason I got this car is because I wanted a sunroof. So I'm here at the place for my appointment. I'm gonna try to eat this food before I go inside. Yes, I'm gonna try and eat this food before I go inside. Ugh. Go my little bowl. Let's see. It's super heavy. We packed it out. I ain't gonna be able to eat all this. I literally have like a gravy boat. It looks disgusting, but it's usually good. Oh, please help me change my body the way you see is fit, and once you bless hands to prepare this food in Jesus' name I pray. Amen. It's good. Okay, so I'm finished eating, and now it's time to go inside to my appointment. And then after I come out, I want to look for a mini tree. I know I saw them at the beginning of the season, but you know how things go. When people see the mini trees, they buy them all up in the beginning, and then towards the end of the season, they're not there. So I say it's towards the end of the season because we almost had Christmas. About halfway there. And Christmas season started early this year, just to be frank. You know, everybody's home and everybody needs some cheer, so people had up their Christmas lights before Thanksgiving. I was not on the money with that, so hopefully I can get some decorations today, and hopefully I can get a mini tree. So we're gonna see if we can find one today. So let me get on in here to this appointment, and then I'll be back. Keep dropping my candy. I don't need to be eating it anyway. How you doing? How are you?
I'm doing fine, thank you.
Good, good.
And yourself?
I'm doing okay.
Good.
Thanks for asking. Have a good day. I got some trees, y'all. Let's go look at them. Some mini trees. Praise God, because he know what I need. It was the first place I went to look for. Safely. Here go my shadow. Let's look at these trees. Little baby trees. Little baby trees. Oh, they got the little barbecue. Let me go over here. Baby trees. Oh, they got wreaths out here. Is this real garland? Oh yeah, that's real garland. I just want a tree. Evergreen large. Evergreen decorated wreath. Don't got no, I want a little one. I don't want a large one. I guess it's all the same price. That's an arrangement. Not the price of the tree. Let me see. Do each one of them have a thing on it? It say $26.99. I don't know, but I want a little one. Let's see what we're gonna do. Whoop. Go inside. Thought it should be somebody. Oh, it is somebody over here. Don't walk away, lady. Hello. Hi, I have a question. The trees outside, do I pay for them inside and just pick one outside?
They have to scan it.
So I have to bring the tree in?
Yeah.
Woo! Okay.
Yeah, there's a little, unless you see one out there you like, just take it off it and bring it inside.
That'll work. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. During these trying times. Alright. So I want this little baby. That's too big. She said pick a tag on it. They ain't got no tag. Oh, they do have a tag on it. Need a baby. Better prospects. I might take this little one. You can see. I think we found a little baby tree. It's a Fraser fir. Hello. Good. I think that's what I'm supposed to have to do.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, the leaves are so unchanging. Not only green,
Mission accomplished. Y'all can't really see how little this street is. Let me put it next to my car so you can see. See? It's a little thing. Father in heaven. Alright. Here's my sanitizing routine.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, the leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, the leaves are so unchanging. Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, the leaves are so
And then of course I try not to touch my face
Christmas tree,
at all.
Christmas tree,
But it be happening sometimes.
so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here,
Alright, so I think I'm about to go by
it's cold and dreary.
Smoothie King.
Christmas tree,
Get a smoothie.
Christmas tree,
Smoothie.
such pleasure.
Get some smoothie during sweater weather. Anybody else like to get smoothies during sweater weather? Comment down below. Let me know the weird things you do. It's supposed to be summertime things, but you still like doing them in winter. Let me know. Let's go, let's go. What's in there, sir? They be wanting me to slice them, don't they? me get on my parking spot before she coming over here. Father in heaven. I got to do some crazy driving because I can't go back that way. Step out and drive. Y'all know where y'all going. Oh, here go that bus I used to take out here when I lost my car. The girl had to take the bus. Green route. Took the green to the blue. In Bel Air when I used to live out here in Harper County. Brings back memories. Can y'all believe it? I used to catch the bus in Safeway's parking lot. I used to catch the bus to go to work. I would take the green to work, and then whenever I would have to go somewhere else, I would have to change routes from the green to the blue. Alright, let's go get a smoothie. Thanks so much for watching. Until the next video, I love you guys to the moon and back.